Do you really understand what makes a computer work? Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or just trying to keep up in a digital world, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about computer basics in simple, clear terms.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
A computer is an electronic device that accepts input, processes data, stores information, and delivers output. It can calculate millions of operations per second and helps us write documents, browse the internet, communicate, and even create music or video. Think of hardware as the body and software as the brain. Hardware includes your screen, keyboard, CPU, and memory. Software includes the programs and apps you use, like Chrome, Mississippi Word, or even games. One can't work properly without the other. Your computer's power comes from its parts. The CPU is the brain. RAM is where your active work lives temporarily. Storage is where your files and programs are saved long-term. The motherboard connects everything. GPUs help with graphics. Cooling systems prevent overheating. Everything your computer does, text, images, video, is encoded in binary zeros and ones. One letter like A becomes 010000001. It's kind of like digital Morse code, fast and efficient. Files are like digital folders. Each has a type. A .jpg is a picture. A .docx is a document. File extensions help your operating system know which app to use. Organization helps you find things faster. There are three main types. System software, like Windows, runs your computer. Application software, like Word, helps you perform tasks. Utility software, like antivirus, protects and optimizes performance. The OS is your computer's manager. It loads when you start your PC, runs all your apps, and ensures your files are safe. Windows, macOS, Linux, Android. These are all OS platforms. The internet connects computers worldwide. You access it through browsers. Devices talk using IP addresses. Your router helps you get Wi-Fi. DNS converts web names into IP numbers like a phone book. So cybercrime is real. It's important to use strong passwords and, avoid unknown links whenever possible. Make sure you install antivirus software and enable your firewalls. Also, use two-factor authentication for extra security. And remember, think before you click. Your data is precious. Let's learn the basics. Start and shut down your computer properly. Use shortcuts like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste. Organize your files into folders and use Task Manager to close any frozen apps. Oh, and don't forget to keep your system updated. When something goes wrong, the first thing to try is restarting. Check for updates, scan for viruses, and if needed, boot into safe mode. You can also use help forums or built-in diagnostics to figure things out. Now that you've explored the essentials of how computers work, you're one step closer to becoming digitally empowered. So like, share and subscribe for more explainer videos on technology and how it shapes our world.